Good morning to one and all. My name is John Philip, and today we have gathered here to discuss our shop talk topic, which is Starlink by SpaceX. The content that we are going to discuss today is overview, working, advantages, challenges and limitations, impact of Starlink, current status and future plans, and conclusion. What is Starlink? Starlink is a satellite internet constellation that is designed by SpaceX. SpaceX aims to provide high speed internet access globally. How many satellites are going to be launched? SpaceX plans to launch tens of thousands of satellites to low Earth orbit to create a global broadband network. How Starlink works? The working of Starlink is divided into three parts. The first is satellite signals. Satellite signals transmit signals to the ground stations. A user terminal then receives these signals and transmits data back to the satellite. The internet connection is provided through the satellite. The terminal connects the system via the internet to the Starlink system. What are the advantages of Starlink? First one is global coverage. Starlink will provide internet access to the remote and unreserved areas of the world equally. High-speed internet. With up to 100 Mbps of download speed, Starlink offers faster internet than any traditional network services. Low latency. Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites result in significantly reduced latency to geostationary satellites. Geostationary satellites means satellites that are still and in one place, therefore provide internet facility to only a certified place. What are the challenges and limitations? First one is space junk. With thousands of satellites, there is a concern about increase in space debris and pollution and potential collisions. Signal interference. Interference from objects such as trees and buildings may affect the quality of the signal received by the user terminal. Regulatory approval. As SpaceX needs approval from different countries and continents to provide these services, regulatory approvals are one of the biggest challenges in this project. Impact of Starlink on internet connectivity. First one is bridging the digital divide. Starlink can help close the gap in the internet access between urban and rural areas, improving the educational opportunities and economic growth. Second, disaster response. During emergencies, Starlink can be used to provide emergency satellite access that require areas that have lost traditional infrastructure. Connectivity at sea and the air. Starlink provides reliable internet access on ships, airplanes, and remote marine platforms, enabling communication and navigation easily. Current status and future plans. Existing Starlink coverage is operating in beta and expanding its coverage area in several countries. Future expansion. SpaceX plans to continue launching more Starlink satellites to provide coverage and improve its network capabilities. Global internet connectivity. Starlink aims to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote regions of the world. Conclusion. Starlink by SpaceX revolutionizes the internet connectivity, enabling global access and bridging the digital divide. Questions are welcome in the comment section. Thank you.